Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 0xc000000f on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to rebuild BCD, so search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator and type this command here, which is bootrec /rebuild BCD and hit enter. The next solution is to run a check disk scan. The command is chkdsk /r/f. So hit enter after that, then press Y and hit enter once again to initiate it. But trust me, there's not a lot you can do about it. Either you'll have to change the hard drive eventually, but before that I will suggest trying to reset the PC. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, go to recovery. Click on reset PC, select remove everything, and finally select cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.